Hi everyone, this is Srimay, Master's Level Specialized Nurse, and today we are going to discuss something very interesting. In 21st century, now we have built ourselves. Our body is made, our flesh and blood is made. So in 21st century, we had a more defined and modified methods. So in 20th century, it was more of policies that was being framed, more of roles and regulations were being defined. So it was like we were given various roles. Roles like nurse educator, we are nurse advocate, nurse practitioner, and certified nurse midwife. So these were the various roles that came out. So this was how in 21st century we are growing and still we are developing into a better future. So I'm quite sure that from the medieval age where we have discussed about the just growth till today, you would be very thorough of understanding. As we have promised, all the steps are very concise, cleared, and written down in points for us to understand. So let us quickly recapitulate what are the major headings that we should say when we are discussing about the history of nursing or nursing as a profession. The first is the early age. In early age, we are talking about the females coming into picture in 300 AD, and they were following more of the advices that was given from the philosophical or religious leaders. Back then, it started with middle age, where more of charity was being done, and through charitable trust, the growth was being initiated. After that came 15th to 19th century. In 15th to 19th century, there was two big events, that is the Crimean War and the smallpox epidemic, because of which Florence Nightingale came into picture and she took her studies from the Sisters of Charity, and there she built herself, get trained, started putting points and started making the framework for nursing. Along with that, she also contributed well for research. Then came where we are saying about Florence Nightingale. After that came the Civil War. In Civil War, not to forget about Barton, who was the founder of American Red Cross, where Red Cross, as we all know, is the organization which always help and contribute or heal for the soldiers who have involved in the war. So she was the one who went there and she was dealing and healing the soldiers into the battlefield. After that came the 20th century, और 20th सेंचुरी में जैसे कि हम जानते हैं हम उड़ान भरने लगे, रिसर्च देखने लगे, हमारी एजुकेशन और करिकुलम फॉर्म होने लगा. बड़े बड़े लोग, देवर ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस फ्रॉम यूएसए एंड अदर्स हु स्टार्टेड मेकिंग करिकुलम फॉर अस कि हमारे लिए एक फ्रेमवर्क हो. और उसके अलावा भी रॉकफेलर फाउंडेशन, देयर वाज गोल्ड मार्क रिपोर्ट्स, जिन्होंने सोचा कि फाइनेंशियल सपोर्ट अगर दिया जाए तो नर्सिंग एजुकेशन वुड बी ग्रोइंग इन इट्स हायर पीक. सो दीज वर द सर्टेन इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर्स. उसके बाद आया हमारा 21st सेंचुरी. एंड इन 21st सेंचुरी हम लोगों को वेरियस रोल्स मिल रहे हैं. As nurse practitioners, nurse advocates, nurse educators, we are critical care nurses. There are so many roles in which we are flourishing. Also to say, I missed out, sorry, in 20th century, हमारा specialization भी आ गया था. So we were getting specialized in various fields. So that is how we have developed. I hope you could write these headings. If you present them well, make certain beautiful flow charts, we are good to go. We will get definitely good marks. अगर आपके कोई suggestions हैं, you want us to discuss on any topic, please let us know and we would be discussing on that. Meanwhile, we would be continuously discussing about ANP, that is एडवांस नर्सिंग प्रैक्टिस, ताकि नर्सिंग की लाइफ थोड़ी इजी हो जाए. टिल देन, स्टे सेफ, स्टे हैप्पी. प्लीज लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब Nursing the Code Book. Thank you.